This occasion in Glencoe at the Loughin will be your histories from now on, part of your lives, and your hearts will be with you always. The tokens of your love are your appreciation for each other and this beautiful relationship that you both have on this day of your marriage. But what is your love? It is special, it is yours, and only yours. But your love is something that we cannot understand. Your lives shaped by your choices, life shaped by your experiences. It is you willingly choosing to lay down a huge part of yourself for someone else. This is happiness. This is joy, true joy. This is your story, your journey into your life together.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here. If I'm not swinging, then the war is won. Caught
to love each other even if we hate each other, to love you without reservations or conditions, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it's an effort, to always remember that you are indeed human and that you may sometimes make questionable decisions I don't agree with. I want nothing but your happiness, even when things are difficult and it gets hard to do, and our love gets more comfortable, complacent, and time-worn. Whatever happens, you will have me endlessly. Everything, always.
So my vow to you is to understand, grow and love each other despite our differences. I vow to never forget that I love you even in the darkest time, to always sort everything through love. I will always look up to you, support you and share everything with you. I will stay by your side through good and bad times. I may have some dark times, but my love for you will always be greater than my weakness and strength.